Whose bike is that? Oh shit, is that an R1? Oh, it's an R6! What the fuck? Okay, I see you! Okay, yeah, that was a great start to the day. I don't know if that guy even actually lives there, but I'm excited to see another R6, you know? I absolutely have to get my my forks and rear shock rebuilt. I don't know if I can actually get the rear shock rebuilt. I just know that I've progressively noticed that this ride is a lot more chaotic. Like, it's bouncier. It's just aggressive. It's really aggressive now. Today's video is going to be very short. I don't really want to make anything long today because I already have like 3 maybe hour-long videos that I have to get done. And this is like probably after I'm done editing, because I have like an hour and a half, 2 hours for like the last 3 days or 4 that I haven't even had time to sit down and actually edit. So I want this video to be pretty quick. Just trying to like talk to you guys. Apologize for my lack of discipline, lack of work ethic. It's been a lot. That's all I can say. It's been a very rough week. I'm behind on a lot of projects, even the ones that I love, so you can obviously tell that it's not just, oh, he doesn't want to do anything with the things that he doesn't want to do. Well, I don't really want to do anything with the things that I want to do because I'm just so tired. I'm gonna try to get everything edited today and then like respectfully have them all posted when they're supposed to be. Yesterday's video would have been like really nice to post on that day because it would have been like nice and current, but it's okay. It's at least recorded. I already have everything in the editor. I just haven't had time to kind of like slice and splice everything down. But yeah, if you're new to the channel and you enjoy what you've seen, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Leave a like on the video as well. And if you have any suggestions or anything like that, make sure to leave a comment. I do read them, and I will get back to you. Traffic looks really bad. This is how illegal shit happens. Spotted a biker at least. I figured that was an 8R. Very nice bike. You got your little opening over there. I'll meet up with you later, bro. I don't know if I recognize that bike or not. I've seen one, But it's like, if it's the same one that I'm thinking of, then that one's, he's probably gonna follow me all the way up here. So he's in here for the long haul with me. It's hard to tell if he actually needed that left lane or not. It's like sometimes I want to like fly up a little bit, you know, get some space. Sometimes I want to just like sit back and chill. Like we're going 60 in a 65, roughly. Everyone normally goes like 75, 80 through here. But it's like the weather is really nice. I get time to kind of just see the surroundings. Like look at that sunrise. Look at those clouds over there. Like the little formations are pretty attractive. And no one else is driving crazy, so I can actually like enjoy myself a bit. Let's see if the 8R guy is still behind me or not. I haven't seen him pass me. His bike doesn't make any sound, so it's like I can't I can't sound whore for him. I will say, having decently long arms makes bikes like these, sports bikes, pretty comfortable. I can actually like prop myself up a little bit, especially if I'm just like using like one hand and I want to like sit up. Back problems gone. I changed the position of my mic. I've been loving it so far, but oh, actually no, there's no but to it. I've been loving this new mic position. It's way more convenient. I feel more confident that I'm actually catching my audio instead of getting like pure wind noise and other annoyances, like that little whistle that happens when the wind goes by your visor. Okay, the guy with the 8R, I don't think he's behind me anymore. I think he took a whole different exit. But we're also chilling, going very, very slow. Because I know I shouldn't have to rush. I'm not even, like I left early for a reason so I can enjoy my ride. I'll sit behind a semi all day. My bike is starting to stutter a little bit at like cruising speeds. So I probably need to put more air filter oil on this K&N that I have. If anything, it's just a whole bunch of small things that add up. Get back into our lock-in position. That Corvette looks familiar. I promise you it's not my brother though. It's actually so hard to tell. That is my brother, that's fucking insane. What the fuck? I wonder if he's gonna pull back over. That's so fucking insane. Bike has so much pull, even for its small size. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the little small cinematics that we have. A little small cruise, you know, not that long of a ride, but 2 wheels down, boys.